my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and I'm here with a little bit of a different video for you guys. You might remember that I used to do Glossybox unboxings and Birchbox unboxings on this channel, and you know what, I figured, I haven't done them for a really long time because I'm super rubbish and I always forget, and I have so many that I haven't even opened yet. But I thought, do you know what I'm going to do? I feel like this is going to be more helpful for you guys. But I've decided I'm going to do a comparison. I've noticed a lot of people asking, like, lately on videos and stuff, and even, like, friends on Facebook have mentioned which one is better. Like, should I get Glossybox or should I get Birchbox? A lot of people don't want to get both, they want to get one or the other. So I figured I'd get both every month, and you know what? I'm going to show you what I get in both of them. We can compare them. I can give you like my thoughts on it and like my opinions on it, and you guys can then also decide for yourselves, do you know what, that looks so much better, I'm gonna get that one. So let's do it. We are gonna go straight in with the Birchbox. Now this month's Birchbox is completely different to any of the others. It's in a tin. Like, this is a full-on tin. Now I'm assuming that this is going to be like a one-off because they do like every now and then do something different. They do partner with like different companies, which is what I'm assuming that this is. And I will have a look inside, obviously. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. The boxes are usually like cardboard boxes with drawers in, and I love them. They are my favourite type of boxes. It's my favourite thing about getting a Birchbox, to be fair. It's like storage. So let's have a look inside here and see what we got. Okay, so already I'm seeing a professional. Let me get my little booklet out. I think I've actually lost the booklet for the Glossybox, so I'm really sorry about that, you guys. I have already done an unboxing of the Glossybox on my vlog, you might have already seen that. But I wanted to put this video together so that people who haven't seen that and people in the future can look back and see them compared together. So I'm going to do the best job I can, but from now on the videos will be full on what's in this box, what's in this box, but you guys know what I'm saying. So let's get into this. So we've got Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. I haven't heard of the Pearl Primer before. So it's only a really small little sample. It is 3ml, I believe, yeah. So it's just 3ml there. And let's see what it says. So this fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Professional, with an added dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth it all over your face and layer up to add radiance. So, okay, that's interesting. I will try that out. I haven't actually tried the original yet, and I do really need to try that as well. The RRP for this as a full size is £27.50, depending on where you buy it from. So what's next? Ooh, Ella Eden Compact Eyeshadow in Faith or Julia. Well, I got mine in Faith. Oh, okay. And that's what it looks like. Can we open this up? Oh, this looks really difficult to open. Oh! I actually don't even think I'm going to be able to open this right now, you guys. Oh, yes I am. We need to have a swatch, even though I'm going out and I shouldn't really be putting... Ooh. Ooh! Okay. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. And a nice little sheen on there as well. I'm liking that. I feel like that would look good on the eye. And Faith, from the looks of this, is like a very pale colour. So there was a dark one and a pale one, and I got the dark one. So depending on which box you get, like, I don't know how they pick and choose. I think it's just at random. So you could have ended up with that one, you could have ended up with the lighter one. So these are mineral eyeshadows. Don't have time to be consuming. Mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with long-lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bolder statement. Yes, I like that. Okay, cool. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out. Can't wait. What is this? So this is It's Time for Tea. Celebrate Birchbox's 5th birthday with 3 different tea blends from Whittered and Chelsea. I'm wondering if this is what the box is to do with as well. So it's because this is the 5th year anniversary, which is really cool. So we have 3 individually wrapped tea bags in here. And it says, this, oh, I just don't want to be out of focus, so I'm trying to stay in the square. Discover 3 delicious blends of Earl Grey, mango and bergamot, and lemon and ginger for your ultimate brew from this quintessentially British brand. After all, a tea party isn't complete without a good cuppa. Brilliant, love it. Okay, so I have this. This is something I think I already have, or I have something from this brand. Number 4, Jour de Automne Smoothing Balm. I probably said that so wrong right now, but I'm sure no French people are watching, so it's fine. Whatever your hair type, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness, and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair, then style as normal. Smell test. Ooh, okay, I like it. So we'll be using that, we'll be needing that. I think I already have that, but yeah. Can't have enough, can you? What have we got here? Ooh, Glam Glow. Glam Glow Super Lens. Oh, sorry guys. The RRP of the eyeshadow is $12.99, and that I believe is a full size. The RRP of this is $24.50 in a full size, and this is a 30ml. The RRP of this Glam & Glow in a full size is £24. Wow. We have got here 15 grams. Packed with a blend of 3 charcoals, this cream to foam cleanser detoxifies skin, removes excess oils and absorbs impurities. Massage generously into the skin, adding warm water to create a lather. Can't wait to try that. I've not tried any of their products and I really want to, so I'm excited about that one. And finally here we have got, I think it's a sun cream for face and body. The RRP is £25. It is Polar. And the size of this one is 20ml. And this one says, oh no, wrong one. The best kind of sunscreen is one that doesn't leave white residue behind. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day, which is very, very good advice. So, that's exciting. That is everything we got in this one. Now, I think that this is quite a good box. I'm quite pleased with what I've received in this box today. So, yeah. I'm going to pop all them away and I'm going to get straight into the glossy box because I am in a little bit of a rush today, you guys. But, this is the glossy box. Now, I'm really sorry, but I'm not going to be able to read out everything for this, but I can at least show you what came in it. I only just decided I was going to do this, like, the other day, after I'd already, like, opened it all and everything. So, first of all, I'm seeing some Wilkinson Sword Intuition Fab, and it's basically just one razor, and that is what it looks like. But I'm quite excited to try this out. It looks like it's going to be a good one, so I'm excited to try that out. Oh, Nip and Fab. So we've got a Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Scrub Fix. I don't know why I'm getting excited. I've already looked in this, but I forget. I always forget what I get. So this is sealed, unfortunately, but it's basically an exfoliating scrub. 3-in-1 micro exfoliant with glycolic something. I'm not going to try and read those words. And this is a 50ml. Now I can't tell you the prices because I've thrown the paper away for some silly reason, but I can at least show you what we've got. This I'm excited about. This is Mystique Black Novex, and it's a deep hair mask. Now I need care for my hair because I'm, you know, trying to get it so blonde. It's really blonde actually right now. The pink's nearly all gone out, and I think I want to be blonde for a while. So maybe silvery. We'll see. Oh my god! It smells so freaking good. I love it. So I'm really happy with this. I'm really loving this. So that is that. We'll be using that 1,000,000%. Can't go wrong with a hair mask, not when you've got hair like mine. Next up, I'm seeing this cruelty-free, paraben-free, and can't remember. This is some kind. I think this is like a blush type thing. So I'm just going to show you. This is the packaging, and oh no, it's a contour. I remember now. It's a cream contour, and I do really want to try this out. Now, if you are really wanting to know about these products, I did unbox these. This is why I threw the thing away, because I didn't know I was going to do this. But I did a really quick unboxing of this in a vlog. I think it was either last week's vlog or the week before's vlog. But I did that in that. So you can see the prices, and I do read it all out to you in that vlog if you're really wondering. But I promise, in next month's, I will have a full-on comparison and I will be able to tell you everything about them. So the final thing I'm seeing in here is this line smoothing, which I need, Eye Cool Gel. So I'm liking the sound of that. Refreshing gel, instantly revives and tones tired eyes. Brilliant. So that is that, and it is 15ml. And this is 100 grams, which I think there's a good amount in there. I can probably get at least 2 good full coverage, probably more, to be fair, of that as a conditioner. So yeah, that's everything from the Glossybox. So putting these 2 boxes together, obviously I can't compare the prices and that. I think they've come really close this month. I will say in the past, I have definitely found Glossybox to be better. But I'm going to be really getting into this for you guys because I feel like that's what you guys want to see. More than just an unboxing, actually like which one is the best one to go for. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys. I would say with this one, they're both pretty good. Like, neither one of them is outstanding and blown me away, which has happened in the past with Glossybox. But also, neither one of them, I am sort of like, ugh, rubbish. It's all rubbish. Which has happened in the past before as well. With Birchbox. And probably with Glossybox as well. So yeah, as far as this one goes, they both did pretty well in June. So yeah. But let us see what July has to bring for the Birchbox and the Glossybox. And yeah, you guys can see it right here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Your support means everything. And yeah, I'll see you real soon, guys. Mwah. Bye!